Kia ora, huri tēnei no Kaitahu, te whānauapa nui, Ngātira nui, me ngā rauru, ko Hone Pirini, toku ingoa. Gee, I'll put you all on, you need my presents. No, that's okay. What do you normally eat for lunch? I normally eat mince and eggs, steak and eggs. If I haven't brought food into mahi, normally sushi, salmon, low carbs, up the protein, shush. And yeah, it's a bit of me. What song would play when you enter a room? Ooh, this is a crucial one, man. You know, so many. Maybe Michael Jackson, The Girl Is Mine. Hey, you know, pulling up, presents, he's rocked up, he's here, you know this. I don't understand the way you think, saying that yours not mine. Sending roses in your silly dreams, really just waste of time, the girl is mine. Oh, because that girl over there is mine. No, no, oh. What's a phrase you use but can't stop saying? 'Cause what? You know what time it is? Yeah. Anyway, back to the kaupapa e ni kōrero ko whāriki ro ngai tāroa tapu o tēnei kaupapa o te rā. Tape! Oh yeah, and tape! Forgot about another one. Tape, 'cause what? You know this, right? And I... Yeah, then that's it. What's your fun fact that's actually a flex? I don't know, just being him. What emoji sums you up at work? Probably locked in. Probably the locked, as in locked in on everything that I do. What's something you've done that would impress your younger self? Probably working with artists that I grew up watching, you know, Stan Walker. Had the privilege of working with him. Tahu when he was on New Zealand Got Talent, now we're quite close mates. And then probably performing at One Love, opening for Catch a Fire, working with House of Shem. So yeah, there's been heaps, but yeah, just blessed to be able to do what I do, man. Always grateful, man. If Tahu FM was a person, what kind of mate would they be? Good music, always vibes on vibes. Just good energy, te reo Māori, speaking te reo Māori, and music.